Hi guys. What's your name?
Kelsey.
And my name is Becky.
And we're the TheSorryGirls, and today we're at IKEA. I know we usually start this outside, but like, it's Canada outside also.
We are doing an As Is challenge where we find something in the As Is section and make it over.
And today we're gonna do pet themed because you guys have been asking for it.
Yeah, you asked for it in IKEA, you asked for it in a dollar store challenge, you ask for it all the time, so we thought today's a good day to do it.
Okay, well let's go check it out. As Is.
So weirdly empty today. Let's do a fridge.
Oh wow, that's a nice fridge.
I love this brown chair because it has no arms. It's like super wide and chill.
I know. Could it be like a really fancy dog bed?
It's like not that cheap though. $149, but it's so nice.
Yeah, it's not nice. Keep my eye out for a dresser.
This is only $22. So basic, but it's cheap.
Like we'd need a door. If I've learned anything, it's that you need to get your thing and get it on a cart so that nobody steals it, because they will. Those are only $1?
So cute.
Make a holla honey boo boo child. There's gotta be something in here. Some sweet plywood art.
Sweet art, bro. Patterned cat thing.
Hey?
Check these out. They're like little mini plant holders and they fit these As Is bowls like perfectly.
Oh, these are even different.
You can put like 2 sizes in it depending on how you flip it. Put a little pot in there.
Oh.
Not quite.
Art. Maybe we can make these work?
I think so. Let's give it a try. Back at the old workshop.
We're like elves.
Yeah. Okay, we are back with some actually exciting things that I'm feeling good about this one.
Yeah, we got a couple of bowls.
These are the most beautiful pastel like pink bowls ever and they were $1 each.
Originally,
We don't know. But I'm guessing more than $1.
More than $1.
$2 so far for this project ain't bad. And then our thought with these was to make little pet dishes. So we went to go check out the plant aisle and found, can't work things, these little plant holder things, which, are you kidding?
so cute.
These were only $5 each, not As Is, but still $5, so that ain't bad either.
And then what we got over here, we got like this cabinet, which was $22.
Originally.
$36. And it's already built, which is like, that's priceless.
Worth money.
Priceless. Yeah. We also found this door that was only $5. I don't know what it was originally, but honestly, probably $10.
So this whole cabinet only cost us like $27.
You want to start with our simple bowls, and then I'll show our lovely folks at home what we're gonna do with this later. I'm interested. And then we might get to bring in some pets.
Oh my God, I'm so excited.
Yay.
Okay, let's get into making this little pet dish. Cool.
Okay.
Bye. All right, so the plan here is to take these really cute pink bowls and make like a little feeding dish for your pet. These bowls are actually perfect the way they are. So we're gonna leave these until the end. Now with these little plant stands, I'm gonna join them together because we don't want the bowls kind of going all over the place when your pet is trying to eat. So the first step would be to take off these random little hooks that I don't think we need at all. I'm gonna try and snip them off with these heavy duty wire cutters and hopefully it's an easy thing to do. It's kind of working, but it might take a while. We have the hacksaw that's really good for cutting through metal. Okay, it's working. It just might take a little bit, so I'll catch you later. Okay, so I was able to get the little hooks off. It did take a while, but I found once I got the one side cut, the other side was easy because you could kind of bend it and it would snap off. I'm gonna use some sandpaper and just lightly sand it. I will be covering it anyways, but it's a little sharp, so might as well. Okay, and the next step is to join these two together, and obviously we want to join them at the part that I cut. So we have this stuff, which is called steel stick, and it's a super strong, like putty epoxy glue. So to do this, I'm cutting off as much as I think I will need, and then I'm mixing it together and kneading it using some gloves to protect your fingers, of course. And then I'm just going to place this over the area that I want to stick together. Okay, so the putty has dried and these are now permanently joined together. And the next step is gonna be to paint it. So I think we wanna do white because I just feel like white and like a pastel pink vibe is just so cute. So I'm gonna take this to our trusty little spray paint tent and cover it all in white.
Do the spray paint tent.
Do the spray paint tent! Okay, so paint is all dry and it looks really cute. It's starting to look like an actual like pet bowl product. A little like tip slash hack, you don't have to do this, but it's really useful. You can do this trick on the bottom of rugs or anything that you want to grip better. So we're gonna put some hot glue just on the tips here that would touch the floor, because I know when my puppy gets hungry, he can be a little aggressive. So this will help it to stop slide. So help it to stop. What is the grammar here?
This will
help it
stop sliding.
This will help it to stop sliding across the kitchen floor when your puppy or kitty or whoever is eating their dinner. Okay, hot glue is dry, and oh my goodness, we are done. So now we get to take our as is items and see if this whole thing worked out. Oh my goodness.
It's so cute.
This color combo has my heart. Are you kidding? Like this in like a bougie pet store, but we made it for how much? $12. That's really cute. Okay, time to show it to puppy and do some styling shots.
Okay, I'm gonna tackle this little litter box cat thing that we're gonna make. Oh, toilet was going off, my stomach was like hungry. Okay, all of a sudden we live on like the loudest street in the world. I think the first step is taking this side off, and then we're gonna cut our cat flap using a jigsaw, I think. Actually, if we're doing it on an angle, we'll figure it out. Also, just thought about this. IKEA professionals built this. When's the last time an IKEA employee built your furniture? There's probably dowels in here, right? That's how it works. And the whole thing's nailed together at the back. Can we get like a laser cutter? Like just like zzz, like is that a thing? Should get one of this. Is there a laser company out there? Sponsor me. These nails are in here. So then I just use a circular saw to cut out a little triangle shape. I know cats aren't triangle shaped, but I think this is really cute. But I'm gonna reassemble this guy and move on to the next step. My next step is going to be adding my handle onto my door. We got this cute little guy off of Amazon for really inexpensive, honestly. I can't believe it. This is like my new go-to for hardware. We're just gonna add that on like so. Before I put the door on the front of this cabinet, I'm going to add the legs because I don't want to ruin the door when I'm flipping it upside down. Got these guys from the hardware store. On the bottom, I mean, we've done this a million times. You guys know the drill. We'll link a video above and below that explains how to install some furniture legs onto some furniture. Feet are on. Obviously the feet are like an instant upgrade to any cabinet like this. And now we're just gonna add on the door, which is gonna be a cool, like, what's the cars that like, where the door opens? Like a Maserati? I don't know. Okay, those fancy cars where like the doors open like this. This is basically what we're doing for a cabinet, because like what cabinet has a door that opens like this? But that's so cool. Hopefully it works. Okay, hinges are on. Got our super cool car door, except it doesn't go this way, obviously. Not this way, this way. Does it look cool? It'll work like this. Okay, so last step, we're going to add a cat scratcher. A la our triangle on this side, we're gonna do a triangle on this side. You can do this kind of out of any material, carpet, maybe you could do like a rope spiral thing. I'm gonna use cardboard because that's what we have lying around the loft. And I'm just gonna trace this triangle that we cut out from the other side to attach so they like match both sides. Okay, so we got a litter box cabinet. You can store your cat stuff in it, cat scratcher on the side. It's really cute, and I think we like kind of nailed this IKEA pet as is upcycle. Bring in the cats. Here. right, hope you guys like that IKEA As Is upcycle. As is, you might know, this is a series, and we have other two other IKEA As Is upcycles on our channel.
And let us know what theme or what thing you want us to do next time we're in IKEA, because we got inspo for this one from you guys last time. So I hope you guys got your pet cute animal fill for this video. I know you've been requesting pet stuff for so long.
We always need more though, but we have so many things. We have plant videos like coming up this spring. We want to do wedding, like a whole wedding thing. There's like so many different like themed weeks that we have ideas for, but more pets too. Okay, I know, we get it, we get it. Pets are cute. I like filming them too. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this, make sure you like it. Oh yes. I know you guys love the pets, and if you want more pets, I mean, we vlogged while we were filming this video, so make sure you check out the vlog channel. And while you're over there, subscribe. Vlog fam is growing, and we're really excited about it. And we do weekly vlogs. I think they're fun. I don't know. I think they're interesting.
My puppy is in it all the time. Your family kitties are in it all the time, so
yeah.
Head over there.
Check you guys out there. And if you like this video, make sure that you give it a like.
And if you love this video, make sure you sub our channel.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye guys. Bye.